Dynamic menus are similar to pause menus. It is called dynamic menu as it displays dynamic content with items and deals. Dynamic menu can display static hierarchies, special groups, and deals. It is possible to customize sorting and preview of dynamic menu. Let us learn more about dynamic menu in our virtual machine. To understand dynamic menus, let me open dynamic menus list. In your virtual machine, in your demo database, you'll be finding multiple examples of pause dynamic menus. These menus are like any other pause menu, but these are called dynamic because it doesn't contain static content. What is the meaning of static content? Let me show you with this example. Going to open Linda line. How to construct dynamic menu? What we need in this case, ID, description of dynamic menu, and then display type. And in display type, there are three options. This dynamic menu can appear on top of another menu, or it can replace existing menu which is there on the pause, or it can appear as a pop-up. So these are the three display types where you need to choose one. In this case, it's replace menu. Apart from that, the menu exit you can set none or exit first button, exit last button, etc. Then we need one base pause menu which this dynamic menu will be using. So here also we have multiple examples, and for this particular menu we are using dynamic 1 as a base menu. Rows and columns can be defined, and then to construct menu under selection we have multiple selection types. And here for this example we have chosen special group, and then the value for special group is Linda line. What else is there? We can create dynamic menu based upon attribute by selecting a attribute and then providing the attribute value with the help of product group, with the help of item category, special group, or particular item, or with if we are creating a deals, and then with the help of deal also we can create a dynamic menu. And these are the values. Attribute options, in case we are using attributes, can be defined here. Even we can provide first level of validation with the help of validation period. In case when constructing the dynamic menu we want to exclude any line, in case multiple lines are there under selection, exclusion can be provided with this field. Then sorting, how this dynamic menu will be appearing at the pause, that sorting can be defined. And for sorting we have sorted by field, and here you can define whether category wise, product group wise, division wise, search description or description wise, or attribute wise we want to do the sorting. That can be defined. Group sorting can be provided with either record ID or with the help of description of that particular field which is selected under sorted by. Apart from that, we can preview dynamic menu, how it will be appearing at the pause. For that we are having this button here. If I click pause dynamic menu preview and select appropriate store, so let me select in this case store 1, and this is the way this dynamic menu will be appearing on the pause belonging to store 1. So it means it provides us this feature to preview while creating the pause dynamic menu and check how it will be appearing at the pause. Now, let us check this example at the pause by running a pause. Log on, and this time I'll be opening up fashion, and here uh, if I let's say click men, and then these are the men items which are appearing. In case of women items are appearing. If I click Linda line, then all those items which belong to Linda line, and you can see this scrolling is allowed here. All these Linda line items are appearing with the help of dynamic menu. So it looks like any other menu. It's dynamic in nature. Whenever a new item, Linda line item, will be getting added to a special group Linda, then you'll be finding that that newly created item will be appearing here as well in this dynamic menu. So dynamic menu, uh, very useful at the pause, because it displays dynamic content, and that can be changed from the back office or from head office, can be changed, and this information will be reaching to those store or pause databases, and appropriately it will be getting displayed at the pause.